In this video, we're talking about systems applications. And if you're watching this video, you should already be comfortable with solving systems, solving linear systems using the elimination method or the substitution method. The only thing that's different in this skill is that you have to just make the systems yourself. So we're just going to quickly talk about the types of problems you might get and what your system should look like. All right, so the first one's a break-even value problem. For break-even problems, you're going to create a cost function, create a revenue function, and basically just set them equal. You want to know when your cost is the same as the money you're making. That's when you break even. Keep in mind that changes you make as you sell things are going to be next to the variable. So if you're selling shirts for $5, that's going to be 5x for all the shirts you sell. The other type of problem you might get is a motorboat problem. That's like boat going up the current with it and against the current. You're going to use the formula D equals RT. This is a common formula from physics. The distances and the times are going to be given to you. So they went 20 miles in 2 hours or something like that. And the rates are going to change. So when you're going with the current, its speed is going to get added to the boat. So that'll be the rate that goes there. When you're going against the current, its speed is going to get subtracted from the speed of the boat, and that rate's going to go there. So basically you put a distance here, a time here, a distance here, a time here, and you get your system, which then you can solve using your other methods. And the last one is the price scenario. Basically, when you're buying something, you multiply the price by the number of things you're buying. You basically read it like a sentence. So if you're buying two pizzas, 3 hot dogs, and that's $18. So you basically put the amount of things you're buying plus the amount of the other things you're buying and equals the total price. You just do that for both of these situations they give you, and you have your system. All right, so not super helpful this video, but just kind of giving you those 3 options that you might see on the test and how to kind of think about how you're going to create your system for each one.